Hey, guys, welcome to the Gadget Lab. In this video, we are going to check out 5 best Bluetooth car kits. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. Number 5 on our list is Car FM Modulator. Specifications: brand name, Yasokro. Model name, YSD43. Material type, ABS. Special features, dual USB car charger. Weight, 130 grams. Item size, 75 by 90 by 101 m. Certification, CE, RoHS. Origin, mainland China. Number 4 on our list is Bluetooth 5.0 Adapter Car Kit. Specifications: brand name, Fanku. Wireless type, Bluetooth. Soundtrack, double. Interface, 3.5mm. Certification, CE. Origin, mainland China. Number 3 on our list is OneMe BO7 Pro Plus. Specifications: brand name, OneMe. Model number, BO7 Pro Plus. Wireless type, Bluetooth. Soundtrack, double. Interface, 3.5mm. Certification, CE, FCC, RoHS. Origin, mainland China. Number 2 on our list is Bluetooth Car Adapter. Specifications: brand name, Joyroom. Model number, Junior CL06. Wireless type, Bluetooth, FM. Interface, 3.5mm, USB, Type-C. Color, black. Material, PC fireproof material. Input, DC 12 to 24 volts. Total output, 30 watts. Net weight, 94 grams. Origin, mainland China. Number 1 on our list is Bluetooth 5.3 FM Transmitter. Specifications: brand name, Joyroom. Model number, Junior CL17. Wireless type, Bluetooth, FM. Soundtrack, double. Interface, 3.5mm, USB, Type-C. Color, black. Material, PC fireproof material. Product input, DC 12 to 24 volts.